Hi everybody, welcome today. My name is Lorna. I'm a psychotherapist and a yoga teacher, and today we're going to do a 10-minute yoga class. 10-minute yoga class with no mat, with no skinny leggings and skinny uncomfortable clothing in. So I'd ask you just to make yourself as comfortable as you can where you are seated right now. If possible, have the window open so we can get some fresh air in the space. So if you like, and when you're ready, I'd invite you to make yourself as comfortable as you can on the seat you're in. So I've got a cushion underneath me here, and I'm going to come right to the edge of the seat. So come right to the edge of the seat, and you're going to notice your spine lengthening, shoulders widening, and the front of the body opening. Just feeling the carpet or the grass or the floor underneath your feet, wiggling your toes. Wiggle your toes. And if you like, and when you're ready, taking the hands to the side, you may notice the spine lengthening, front of the body's opening, and we're going to inhale 3 times. Hands at the top, you may notice the temperature between the fingers, palms together. 2 more times, inhale. Exhale. 1 more time, inhale, lengthening from your armpit to your elbow, elbow to your fingertips. You may notice the temperature between your fingers, take the gaze up. Exhale. Blow the breath out, it'll reduce anxiety when we blow the breath out. But keeping the palms together, we're going to now inhale. Taking the arms out to the side, extending from the armpit to the elbow, elbow to the wrist. You might want to put some circles in the end of those wrists, wiggle your fingers. Notice when your palms come in contact with each other. 2 more times, inhale. Feel the lower belly, side ribs, upper chest. Exhale. 1 more time. This is called the sun breath. Inhale. Exhale. Blow the breath out, it will reduce anxiety. Excellent. Hands to the knees, and if you like, and when you're ready, we're going to begin to arch the spine back. Really just be curious and notice the tension. Then leaning forward, bringing the chin up, lengthening through the front of the neck. Feel free to really experiment with that, pulling back. I'm pulling on my knees and arching my spine back. Inhale, up, smile. And again, pull it back. Very quickly we loosen here, so I'm going to ask you just to notice the tension. Just notice it. It does release quite quickly, so really notice it. I'm stiff as a board when I get up in the morning. That's why I do yoga. So pull it back. Okay, everybody's stiff in the morning. So if you like, and when you're ready, 1 hand to the side, and let the other hand, as if you've got a paintbrush with some rainbow paint in, which is pretty cool right now. Rainbow paint up. Exhale down. Slower exhalation is going to reduce any anxiety. Let's take it on the other side. This time I'm going to get a hold of the chair. I'm going to inhale, up, paint the rainbow paint. Exhale. See if I can slow that down. I'm going to do that again. So really pushing this hip into the chair. Lengthening from the hip to the armpit, armpit to the wrist. You may want to take the gaze up. Exhale down with the rainbow paint. 1 more time. Inhale up. Other side. Really noticing a lengthening at the side of the body, side ribs, any tension in the shoulders. Excellent. Now if you like, and when you're ready, coming back onto neutral, back into neutral, we're going to just drop our chin to our chest and noticing a lengthening at the side of the neck, maybe some tension that may be being held in our neck and shoulders right now. And if you like, and when you're ready, taking the chin up to the one shoulder, you choose which shoulder. Exhale, bring it back down. Off to the other side. Inhale. Really noticing any tension, stiffness in the neck. We hold a lot of tension in our shoulders, neck. And release. One more time to the other side. Inhale. You experiment with where you want your eyes to go, either up, straight on or down. Bring it back down. And if you like, and when you're ready, I'm going to bring some rolls into the shoulder. And I'd like you to choose if you want your shoulders to go forwards, backwards, one maybe in one direction, one in another direction. Just noticing any crunching or pops that you're noticing here. Just experiment with that. You choosing which direction you want your shoulder to go. And just taking a moment to notice, is one side maybe carrying more tension or stiffer than the other? My right side is a little stiffer today. Just noticing that. Okay. And if you like, and when you're ready, take your arms out. Inhale. Touch the shoulders. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. And if you like, and when you're ready, begin to shake your hands and then flip your hands in the other direction. Really shake them right up through the arms now, elbows into the shoulders. Into the shoulders. Excellent. Now bringing your fingertips, if you like, and when you're ready, to your shoulders. And we're going to make some circles. So as if you've got a chunky chalk on the end of your elbow, to make maybe some smaller circles in one direction, then some larger circles. And you just be curious and experiment with that. Feel free to go in either direction, maybe tilting your head to one side, just with what feels good, and really noticing any tension that you've got there. Just take your awareness to it. Okay, excellent. And if you like, and when you're ready, just letting that go. And now I'd like you to have a look at one hand and take one hand over to the other knee. And then the hand that's on the side, that you've got the hand on the knee, I'd like you to take that behind you. So either grab a hold of the chair to the side or further around, whatever feels right for you right now. So we're going to inhale, lengthen. I'm going to push on this outer knee. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Open the front of the body, smile. Exhale. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Keep the gaze down and back. Just noticing tension on the side of the ribs, upper neck, shoulders, and slowly release. Okay, we'll go on the other side now. So we're going to take one hand, the other hand onto the other knee, and then take the hand behind. So, and we'd like to open up the front of the body. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, gently twist. Inhale, lengthen. Lengthening the spine, opening the front of the body, smile. Gently twist from the lower spine. So it's as if you're moving the belly button round a bit. One more time. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Slowly coming back. And if you like, and when you're ready, taking the feet a little wider, coming right onto the edge of the seat. And I'm going to invite you to either come down with your elbows just above your knees and let your head be soft and hang. Or if you like, and if it's comfortable for you, you can let your hands fall to the floor and take your weight forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine, fill the back of the lungs. Exhale, fold. Let the head be soft. Keep this going. 3 more breaths. Inhale. Exhale, fold. Release. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, soften. Just checking in with your lower spine there. Look at your toes. Wiggle your toes. Wiggle your toes. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Wiggle your fingers. And I want you to shake your legs and shake your hands. When we are anxious, we have adrenaline and cortisol going to our limbs to mobilise us, right? So we need to shake it out, just like a dog or a horse when they flee, or a deer. Okay, so we've got to have a good shake. Excellent. Bring those shoulder rolls in, and we're going to again take 3 rounds of this powerful breath. So we're going to inhale, make a rainbow, palms together, pull it down. So remember, blow it out if you're feeling anxious and slow down that exhalation. 2 more times, make a rainbow. Exhale. Blow it out if you're anxious. And again, last time, make the rainbow. Extending from your armpit to your elbow, elbow to your wrists, fingers. They're like a book. Exhale. Pull it down. Hands to the heart. Take an easy breath. Just taking a moment here in silence. Eyes open or closed, you choose, you decide. Just to notice your breath entering your nostrils. Cool breath entering your nostrils. Your mind will wander, just pull it back to that cool breath entering the nostrils. Easy breaths. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, lick your lips, have a swallow, have a wriggle. See if there's a yawn in there. There's always a yawn. See? There's always a yawn. Excellent. Thank you today. Well done. Stay safe, take care, and I'll see you soon.